Honor 100 Pro just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate OLED display, flagship processor, lightweight in design, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, fast wired and wireless charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor 100 Pro. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Inside the box, we get the Honor 100 Pro phone first. Along with that, there is a transparent case and a 100-watt fast charger. The phone itself has a 6.78-inch screen with a quad-curved display, meaning the edges of the screen from all four sides are curved. You can compare it to the Honor 90 Pro, where the both phones have the more curved on the left and right side, while the top and bottom edges are bit less curved. The design on the rest of the phone is mostly the same. At the top, you will find the speaker, while the bottom has the Type-C port and the SIM tray slot. But the standout difference is the back design this time. Unlike the similar design of the Honor 70, 80 and 90, the Honor 100 has a unique twist. It uses the two material on the back, glass on the left side and vegan leather on the right side. This kind of back design hasn't been seen on any other phones before. This time the phone's display also has a top-notch eye protection. The company calls it is the Oasis eye protection screen. It has a 3840Hz PWM dimming feature plus other eye care features. For instance, it automatically reduces the blue light at the night, uses the Sleep 8 display tech and supports natural color display technology to the gentle on your eyes. It means around you the display will show the colors that matches the environment, kind of like how it works on the iPhone. Here you have also used the 360-degree natural adaptive dimming technology, making the display super friendly on the eyes. Moving to the Honor 100 Pro's camera, it has a rear-facing triple camera setup. The main camera is a powerful 50 megapixel one that comes with the optical image stabilization. The main camera uses the Sony IMX906 sensor. Then there is a 32 megapixel telephoto camera that supports 2.5x optical zoom and also has a OIS. The third camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide one, and you can check out the sample photos taken with these cameras. Speaking about the performance of the Honor 100 Pro, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which was the last year's top-notch processor. This time the phone also has a larger heat dissipation system to keep things cool. This phone has a wide area stainless steel VC heat dissipation system, which means it will offer a great performance for gaming. One big advantage is its lightweight and slim design. Talking about the gaming, in the King of Glory at the highest setting of 120 FPS, it hits an average frame rate of 119.7 FPS, giving you almost full frames. Even in PUBG Mobile, you can play at 120 FPS, getting an average frame rate of up to 119.3 FPS. The Honor 100 Pro also supports virtual independent display technology, which means you will get a smoother gaming experience with higher frame rates. In Genshin Impact, you can play at 90 FPS with a stable frame rate, reaching up to an average frame of 85 FPS. There are some places where you might notice a bit of frame drop issue, so there is need for some optimization there. Speaking of the battery, the phone packs a 5000 mAh battery. You get a 100-watt charger to charge the battery, which can juice up around 50% in just about 10 minutes. Plus, the phone supports 66-watt wireless charging, giving you a full 0 to 100% charge in around 42 minutes. Even after adding the wireless charging, the Honor 100 Pro doesn't get thicker compared to the Honor 90 Pro. Speaking of the operating system, it runs on macOS 7.2, which is based on Android 13. Talking about the price, the base variant of the Honor 100 Pro starts at around 3,399 Chinese yuan. If we convert it in the pound, around 376 pound in the UK. To sum it up, the phone's design is superb. The display is easy on the eyes and it offers a fast charging and a good battery. Performance might need a bit of optimization. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.